In today's fast-paced and competitive business landscape, a well-crafted marketing strategy is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Without a well-articulated roadmap for success, their marketing wastes time and money and doesn't generate expected results. When this happens, companies are disappointed and lose their appetite for marketing. Another big mistake. So, don't worry. Here we will provide you a step-by-step guide for making an effective marketing strategy. Before starting our session, let's take a quick look at the agenda for today's topic. So firstly, we will learn what is marketing strategy. After this, we learn about why is an effective marketing strategy important. Then we will explore the how to create a successful marketing strategy. So let's start our today's session with our first point. What is marketing strategy? A marketing strategy refers to a long-term plan formulated by a business to achieve specific organizational objectives. The plan details how the business will reach its target market and the exact process it will follow to turn potential customers into actual consumers of the company's products and services. Marketing strategies should be long-term and forward-looking, and they should provide guidelines on how the organization will utilize its scarce resources to increase its sales. So let's move on our next point. Why is an effective marketing strategy important? A solid marketing strategy is essential for businesses of all sizes and industries. All too often, business owners do not have a marketing strategy for their business. If you do not have a marketing strategy for your business, it is just like driving to a new destination without a GPS. So here are the 7 key reasons of having a well thought out marketing strategy. First reason is raise brand awareness. Creating a successful marketing strategy is key to raising brand awareness. Presenting your brand across a variety of platforms, particularly digital, is a great way of reflecting your brand's values, products and services, and unique selling points. This helps more people recognize your brand and increases the exposure of your campaigns. Second reason is leverage your prospects. Promoting your brand through a marketing campaign strategy helps to strengthen your customer loyalty as well as leverage your prospects. By setting a marketing strategy, your brand is able to connect with your audience and get to know your consumers' behavior so that you can target their needs better. Third reason is measure your goals and ROI. When using a marketing strategy, your brand is able to set and measure goals to improve the performance results of your campaigns. A marketing strategy will also make it easier for you to track ROI so that you can plan where best to spend your resources. Fourth reason is increase sales. Marketing strategies are an essential part of promoting your products and services. They allow your brand to reach a wider audience, build its presence across a range of platforms, and increase your conversion rate, making it easier to generate new leads and sales. Fifth reason is get ahead of your competitors. Developing a strong marketing strategy gives your brand direction and focus, which will allow you to move in front of the competition. You'll be able to track and measure your goals against your competitors, strengthen your performance, and get the most out of your budget. Sixth reason is target your key audience more effectively. A marketing strategy will enable you to identify the needs of your consumers so that you can target your audience more effectively. This will help determine what marketing channels and tactics you should use to reach your ideal potential customers. Seventh and last reason is set clear guidelines and budget. With your marketing strategy, you can set clear guidelines which are key for measuring and adapting your marketing tactics. You can track the performance of your marketing and reevaluate where to spend your budget. By having a set budget, you can plan what marketing techniques and resources you can use, ensuring you get the most out of your strategies. So let's move on. Last point. How to create a successful marketing strategy. Creating a marketing strategy requires a few steps. Here are some of the steps you should consider when creating your marketing strategy. Identify your goals. While sales are the ultimate goal for every company, you should have more short-term goals such as establishing authority, increasing customer engagement, or generating leads. These smaller goals offer measurable benchmarks for the progress of your marketing plan. Think of strategy as the high-level ideology and planning as how you accomplish your goals. Know your clients. Every product or service has an ideal customer, and you should know who they are and where they hang out. If you sell power tools, you'll choose marketing channels where general contractors may see your messaging. Establish who your client is and how your product will improve their lives. Create your message. Now that you know your goals and who you're pitching to, it's time to create your message. This is your opportunity to show your potential clients how your product or service will benefit them and why you're the only company that can provide it. Define your budget. How you disperse your messaging may depend on how much you can afford. Will you be purchasing advertising, hoping for a viral moment on social media organically, sending out press releases to the media to try to gain coverage? Your budget will dictate what you can afford to do. Determine your channels. Even the best message needs the appropriate venue. Some companies may find more value in creating blog posts for their website. Others may find success with paid ads on social media channels. Find the most appropriate venue for your content. Measure your success. To target your marketing, you need to know whether it is reaching its audience. Determine your metrics and how you'll judge the success of your marketing efforts. By implementing these strategies thoughtfully and consistently, you can elevate your marketing efforts and drive your business towards success. So what are you waiting for? Start putting these principles into practice today and watch as your business reaches new heights through the power of strategic marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it easy to understand. To stay updated with my uploads, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.